Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll to this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone. As you can see here, we've got two different SIM cards, and basically the ringtone is divided between the SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and different for another one. So let's simply tap on phone ringtone. As you can see here, you can choose the SIM card. Choose the SIM card for which you'd like to change the ringtone. And here we've got the ringtones which are highlighted, let's say, because we've got the tour here, which is our current ringtone. We've got the piano here, space whispers, etc. All right, I mean, it's a little bit too loud for my liking, so let me just volume it down. But if it is not enough, and let's be honest, here we've got only 3 different ringtones, so all we have to do is to tap on all ringtones, and here we've got the full list of available ringtones which are pre-installed on this device, so we can choose them. We've got also music here, which means that if you will have something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from the pre-installed ringtones, and if you wish to check how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and then you will be able to listen and decide whether you like it or not. Moreover, right here we've got this option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. So just mark the option which you'd like to use and tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see here, we've got the information that Love in Prague is our current ringtone, and after getting back, we can also see it right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.